In a small town where the summer sun shines bright, we'd run through the fields, chasing fireflies at night. With blue jeans rolled up and no shoes on our feet, in the heart of the country where life was sweet. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams in every scene. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, living life in the in-betweens. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, underneath those moonlit beams. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, holding on to each other tight. In a world of blue jeans and barefoot dreams. By the old oak tree, we'd carve our names in bark, promises made as the sky turned dark. With the radio playing our favorite song, bluegrass melodies we'd sing along. In those moments we felt so strong. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, where we belong. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, living life in the in-betweens. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, underneath those moonlit beams. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, holding on to each other tight. In a world of blue jeans and barefoot dreams. Time moved on, but those memories remain, with bonfires and bourbon and the sound of rain. Though the years have taken us far apart, I still feel you here in my heart. In blue jeans and barefoot dreams, never to depart. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, living life in the in-betweens. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, underneath those moonlit beams. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, holding on to each other tight. In a world of blue jeans and barefoot dreams. Now I walk these fields with you in my mind, the past and present forever intertwined. With every step I hear our laughter in the breeze, in the whisper of the trees I find my peace. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, my sweet release. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, living life in the in-betweens. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, underneath those moonlit beams. Blue jeans and barefoot dreams, holding on to each other tight. In a world of blue jeans and barefoot dreams. So here's to the days we thought would never end, and to the love that time can't bend.